Today I'm here to talk about that I have decided to focus on Python. I had these thoughts of focus in Python. Python is the most popular programming language today. This happened with the growth of AI features, artificial intelligence in general, and the Python is the main programming language to programming with AI, and you can do many things with Python. Python now is more than a programming language. You can use it as a tool to your job, to whatever you want to. Have a free code camp course to make about college algebra with Python. Then Python is very useful, and I had these thoughts of become a Python developer, work with Python, understand better the Python, and now I have decided to go deep into Python to understand the Python, find a job as a Python as a that I will work with Python and narrow more. I want to work with Python, to learn Python, go deep into this programming language. I don't have other desire to understand better other programming languages like JavaScript, PHP, Golang, Rust. I think that Python is very complete. Python is very wide, and understand one programming language very, very good is better to understand many programming languages and don't understand nothing. Then I will focus now in Python and become a creator of LLM applications. I will understand the Python, learn the Python as the programming language, and understand its libraries like LangChain, AI, Pandas, NumPy, Streamlit to make the front end, the matplotlib, the plotly to make graphs, and but the focus is to make applications with LLMs to automate things and create chatbots, create many LLM applications and automate things, create AI agents, be more efficient, more productive with AI. Then the normal machine learning, deep learning with TensorFlow, PyTorch, I think that this won't be the focus. The focus will be in the libraries like LangChain, and the focus will be now in the LangChain and the OpenAI, APIs, LLMs, and the secondary focus will be in Streamlit to make the front end, Pandas, NumPy, OpenCV, made to analyze images, Selenium to search in the web, and the other libraries that will complement the LangChain. But my focus now is to learn Python as the main programming language, LangChain to create the AI agents, AI automations, LLMs applications, and in the secondary we will have the Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, other Python libraries that will be useful, that I need to understand, and have the complementaries like that I need to have and I would need to have, like Git, GitHub, the SQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, the NoSQL like the MongoDB, the Redis, the Cassandra, the Elasticsearch, made these applications I need to understand, made the Docker, the Kubernetes, but I think that these things is more to DevOps. I won't need to learn it really deep, may only the superficial, the begin. Linux is good to learn, to automate things in Linux, understand better how computers works, but the Linux is secondary. Now I'm using Linux as my main operational system. Then this Linux is more to use, and I will understand and learn how to use Linux using the Linux as my main operational system. But I want to study Linux anymore, like listen podcasts and watch videos, course about Linux. I will finish the course that I'm doing about Linux, and after I will start my studying to become a creator of LLM applications. In May 7, I watched a video by the Rodrigo Tadald, the founder of Asimov Academy, about how to work with AI and how to become a Python developer, how to work with AI in general. And a part of the video had the creator of LLM applications, and he made a guide to how become a creator of LLM applications. I will follow this guide. I think that I can put this image here. This image is May 7. This I looked at this image since 1 month and a half. Then this image will make my learning path. I will start with generative AI fundamentals, like what is LLMs, how it works, what are the principal LLMs, what is OpenAI API, what is the fundamentals of generative AI. To it, I have a course in 3 blue, 1 brown. Have the course about deep learning that have the LLMs also. Have the course by deepen, a YouTuber. Have other courses, other videos that I will watch and that I need to see. But I have time because I will finish my Linux course that I'm doing, and I need to finish also the Asimov Academy courses before start this journey. Then I will finish my Linux course and the Asimov Academy's course, and in the way I will set my learning path. I will start with this 3 blue and brown course about deep learning neural networks. After the Tan Wang course, a YouTuber that is a ex-meta data scientist. Now I think she is a YouTuber that she works as a YouTuber in she's main job. After the generative AI fundamentals, I will watch these 2 courses and listen many podcasts on Spotify. I think that the main podcast that I will listen is the Lex Fridman podcast. I will listen the podcast with the CEO of Anthropic, CEO of Google, a podcast that talks about artificial intelligence, and I will gain the knowledge that I need about LLMs and generative AI, listening the Lex Fridman podcast that was the artificial intelligence podcast, but changed the name. But the artificial intelligence continues being the main topic of the podcast. I think that isn't the main topic, but it's commonly talked in this podcast. Watch these 2 courses about generative AI, and I can watch the other courses that talk about this topic in general that will cover the generative AI fundamentals. After have the prompt engineering that you need to understand how to make a good prompt. Then I will watch a course on FreeCodeCamp, listen podcasts, watch videos on internet, and I don't have these very organized. I need to see what I will do. I can make a specific video talking about my plan to become a creator of LLM applications. But I will watch the FreeCodeCamp course and I will see what I will do. After I need to have 2 branches, the NHN and the Python, LangChain and the LangGraph. I will go in the path of Python, LangChain, LangGraph. Then after the prompt engineering, I will learn Python. I already learned the Python. I know a little bit of this language, but I will learn better the Python, how it works, how I can understand better the Python. I think I will do the CS50 introduction to Python, other courses with Python. I have other things to do, then I can organize these things. Then I need to learn Python, and I need to see exactly what I will do. After it I have LangChain. LangChain don't have a secret, is LangChain. I will watch a courses in FreeCodeCamp about LangChain and the train coding. I already use the LangChain, but I will become an expert. And after having LangGraph and other tools that I need to see, and I will make other courses about it also. My voice is very bad because I think that I don't know why, but don't cares about it. After it I have the LangGraph, and after it I will become LLM a creator of LLM applications, and I will need to improve on what I already know. Then after it, I can find a job and improve it while I have a job and I work and I do other things. But this is my plan now, become a LLM, a creator of LLM applications, and this will be my learning path. I will make a specific video about my learning path, but this is now what I will do. I will make videos while I learn about this topic. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.